Hello everybody, Albanidis Konstantinos here, and again I'm gonna show you. Let me be to the first page here to DesignBeast's. I wanna show you to this video. I'm gonna make it really short. How you can use the 3D live motion photos, and in fact the live motion photos. We saw to another video how we can use the 3D motion photos and how we can have this kind of animation that makes our main subject to be steady and all the background moving around so that it looks like a 3D photo. To this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a live motion photo. It's really amazing. You see, we're gonna we can use a stock photo if we want. We can let's say car and sand. Let's see. We can find a picture like that from here, and we can select. We can select anything. You see, now we can take this photo. Let's say that it has the bike, or we can select. Let's find something interesting. You see, this one looks really interesting, but even this one it looks amazing. Okay, I'm gonna show you how we can work on this one. Okay, let's select the whole photo because this photo is a main example to this to the application. So I'm gonna show you to the same example how you can make this photo animated. You select the photo. We can even select free crop so that we can select the whole photo, and we click on proceed. As we proceed, we're gonna have the photo to the platform, and here we're gonna have to pin points. We're gonna have to pin the points so that we say which part of the photo it's gonna be steady, and here we can click on pinpoints. We start from here and we go like that. It doesn't have to be perfect, just to have the points close. You see, I'm gonna keep it close like that, and we go all the way down. You can really create amazing photos and amazing effects. You see, I'm gonna put even up here so that it's gonna be animated even here, and we go like that till down. You don't have to make it perfect. Okay, I'm gonna take it down here. It really looks nice. Okay, and anytime you want, you can have the animation, and you can just click the play. Okay, here we don't we just separate it, but we didn't say how we're gonna have the effect and to which direction it's gonna move. So we're gonna click the draw direction here, and we're gonna say that we want this to go up. You see the car, it goes like that, and when it hits the inside here, it's gonna have the sand go up like that. We can put these arrows because we want this kind of animation. Okay, and we can try to see what's gonna happen. You see, it's amazing. You see that all this sand, it goes like that, and it's animated. And anytime we are ready, we can select save and export. But I'm gonna show you here. You can select the animation speed. You can make it faster. You see, and or you can make it slower. See here, you can make it slower, so that it looks really interesting. It's like the car is moving, and over here you can add the text. You can just click to add the text here and add it over here. you see, I have the text here, and I can write anything I want. I can add a font, or I can change the font size, or anything. Okay, let's click delete here to move the text, and I'm gonna show you here. You can add an image. You can delete selected object. Okay, as you can see, you can select one object and delete it. You can reset the image to start from the beginning, and over here there is something magical. You can add some ready-made effects to the image, or you can use the image as you created like that. You see, I have created like that with these tricks that I showed you, but I can even add the ready-made effects that we can add the snow, we can add this, or we can add the smoke. You see here, it's amazing. Money falling, you see, you can use this one to many funnels or pages where you want to add an animated picture as a background, let's say. You can add clouds, and all of them are amazing. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put this falling fire. You see, I'm gonna put this falling fire. I just click on it. I just wait a second, and you're gonna see here. Let me show you. You see, now I have everything animated, and I have falling fire from up like that. I can just click undo and remove the falling fire and select something else. You see, we can undo the falling fire, and we can select, let's say, the smoke. Let's select the smoke. Let's see how amazing it's gonna be. You see, now we have smoke going up. It looks like something it's happening with the car, but we can select even something. Let's see, we can select the fire. Yeah, even here we can select the fire, or we can select the 3D particle effect. This one, it's really very nice. You can use it to too many pictures. Just a moment. Oh, it was playing. Okay, let me show you what you can what we created here. You see, I'm gonna click here the play button, and you're gonna see that it's really amazing. You see, we have this particle that it fits perfectly to any kind of a picture, and it's gonna make any picture that you create and any banner like a scroll stopper to the social media. Trust me, it's really amazing, and this application, it can make you it can give you the ability to create stunning graphics and animated pictures in really seconds. You see, when I'm ready, I can remove the particle if I want, and I can save this one. I can just save it like a test one. Save the project, and I can export it as a video. Okay, I can just export it. I can say how many seconds I want to have this animation. I can just select 7, and just prepare the video and download it so that I have it ready to upload to any social media. You see that the whole rendering procedure is very fast, and I'm gonna show you now the result very fast, that we're gonna have this perfect image. We could easily work with any image. Let me show you here. Now we have the result here. Okay, I can make it a little bit big to show you how amazing. and how nice and easily I created this perfect image, and I animated it. Okay. Thank you very much. Wish you the best. I hope this video was helpful, and you can understand the capabilities of this amazing platform, the DesignBeast. That's just one part of what you get from this platform, and to other videos I'm gonna show you even more, as we created a lot of videos about the human pal, the avatar builder. I'm gonna show you a lot of amazing stuff, and how you can use it and create great graphics or videos in seconds. Thank you very much once again, and please subscribe, like the video, and keep in touch. I'm gonna create really interesting videos. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.